What's today?
The 3rd. No, that's tomorrow. Born in the USA. Actually, yeah, don't mind.
Why won't we play Dynamite by...
Dynamite!
Please?
Please?
No, this isn't. It's not.
Oh, that was a good one.
Hey, Mom. When you go back home, can you get me some allergy pills, please? Is firework. All I see is firework.
I gotta get the angle first.
I'm just such a gentleman. You should give it up for me. Look at how I'm placing on my napkins and my
I was
cutlery.
looking at my whole
Until it wasn't love, I just thought you fuck with me. Who could have predicted lucky strike, but had you stuck
Ah!
with me? Damn,
This
I
guy
kept
was
my wits
fast.
about me, luckily. What
Turn yours
happened
on.
between us that night? It always seemed to trouble me. Now all of a sudden, these gossip rays wanna cover me, and you making it seem like it happened that way because of me. But I was curious, and I never forget it, baby. I experience. You could have been the one, but it wasn't as serious. Never smoking it before. That was me clearing it. That felt good. All in all, I learned a lesson from it, though. You never see it coming, you just get to see it go. Yeah, I should have looked up in the sky at first. Now I can see it in her eyes. Fireworks.
No, I wanted it on.
Happy the 3rd to everyone. Hey, Mom. I think I'm allergic to dogs.
Really? Why do you think that?
I got wet eyes and I got a puffy nose.
You got allergies when you come out here. They're, hi, happy birthday,
Happy
Mom.
birthday, Grandma.
We love
We
you.
love you.
Baby, it could just be because every time you get in the shower, you get soap in your eyes.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because you can have kids.
I wasn't recording.
Have kids and not be married. That's weird.
Hi, Mom. Happy birthday. Happy 60th. We love
We
you.
love you, Grandma.
Whatever you want to do, you can do when it goes down to what?
Yeah, they
donkey.
Yeah, that's
The donkey. It's a
oh, it takes us to all of this stuff. Now,
I have a tripod
like
with
you
a.
guys want to go anywhere
outfit
tomorrow?
on. Outfit on. Yeah.
Okay, so here's my plan. I'm just gonna put out breakfast stuff. I have bagels. I have.
I sound like a real fat bitch. I have been trying to explain to someone what it is so they can buy it for me. And every time we go to the store, they're like, but I want to get you the salmon, the right thing, and it's always wrong. And I'm like, stop looking.
Cool is I got mini everything bagels.
Cute.
Isn't that no? Is that way?
That's
No.
what maybe like for me.
Right? No, that's what I mean. But like, you know, because I know for me as an older woman, it's hard for me to eat like.
I've never eaten no half a bagel. Well, throughout the day, I did.
Are you recording that for your girlfriend?
I should,
Yeah.
should I? Yeah, I should.
I know they're adorable. I haven't even seen them yet, but I love them. All right, y'all. I haven't seen them yet, but I love them. Real fat bitch. What we drinking to? Family, life. Well, we're drinking to the person who brought us all here today. I couldn't tingling his.
Thank you, and I'm sorry.
Hey.
You're the one who said tingling.
Terry's dead.
I thought I could do it. But you better buy it.
What are you talking about?
No, I'm saying she said this is to the one who brought us all here, and I said sorry. I thought I could do better.
Well, we're all here breathing, so
You are so far.
that means
Don't jinx it.
we've made it in life because of you, and you haven't killed your boyfriend yet. So we're all here.
Not this one anyway.
Well, she almost killed him the other day. Sounds like.
Have you guys?
I've never seen her so
Remember
much.
when I said body in the water?
I know, Mom. I know about your body in the water. Let's not bring it up in front of Dawn. You can't hurt him. He's dead now. Body in the water.
Yeah,
You know what we're talking about.
It's that documentary.
Hey,
Those are awesome.
Ash. It's a documentary. I have to move the body. I'm sorry.
Last year they were that way, weren't they, honey?
What?
Weren't the fireworks that way last year?
No, they moved to the other end of the park.
Honey, is it
They
your
were at
arm
the
getting
soccer.
tired?
That makes sense.
Yeah, there were only soccer fields over here. No, there's only baseball
Your arm
fields
getting
over here.
tired?
They're
No.
making the soccer field.
Because you know you
Now
can
the soccer
edit
field's
the
complete, they're using that.
video.
Yeah. See how cool it is
Baseball
that we
diamond
get all
has
that.
holes, you know.
Yeah.
It's got a
It is
fucking
fully,
fence.
like it's a perfect Ash, will you take a picture of us?
Yeah.
Should I put your arm around me? I was gonna say you can see my back, but his hand is literally slipping down my shoulder because it's so sweaty. I know, it's not my fault. You raised me this way.
You're sweating. Is that what
You raised me this way! I don't know.
I'm not a sweaty person. You need to look somewhere.
That's because you're white.
No,
Sweaty immediately.
you just look at the sun and turn like sweat started.
Did you get it?
Well, now he is.
Ash, did you get it? Did you get it?
Yeah, you just throw him
Thank
in
you.
somewhere.
So when I put my phone down, I thought I hit stop, but it's been recording the whole time.
I hate when that happens. I do that this whole conversation.
Yeah. About the dead boyfriend and everything.
What did boyfriend?
Look, the fireworks are really good. Yeah, you're so pretty. Oh, let's see.
Isn't that nice?
Oh, that one was beautiful. He's as crazy as you are. Why do you think they've been together? Exactly.
Wait, 50 is 40.
I mean, basically 15. You act like I said 15.
Oh, so you guys are, what do they call it?
Oh, no, 14.
What do they call it where your husband and wife after 10 years?
Eh?
Common law.
Oh yeah,
Oh, that
common
one
law.
was red on the outside but green on the inside. Cute.
I know, I like that.
Honey, are you gonna record every single one? But zoom in. I don't.
It's like a very birthday. It's an uncommon comment. It works for you guys, right? Does it work for you? Are you sure?
You better not.
Never raising your hand does not a good relationship make. Question.
That's your fucking right here.
Seriously,
You know what?
the bitch talks a lot, but I've never raised a hand towards her.
I'll kick his ass right now.
One of my clients,
Okay.
him and his son own like 14 McDonald's in Las Vegas. So he has a lot of money. He's a black man.
Can I meet him?
His wife,
Where's he
no,
gay?
his girlfriend, she's a white lady who lives in Arizona. She don't even live with him, right? He has dementia. He's in his second, you know, you take care of him.
Like I said, can I meet him?
So, they're rich, right?
Right.
The other day, she was talking to my boss and like, she's like, that's not the gentleman, he walked me out at the side door, and he opened the door. I said, open the fucking door and walk in like
Well,
that. He's not a gentleman.
that's it right now.